Tonight I wish to speak to you, the proud people of Iran.
The people of Iran should know Israel stands with you. May we together know a future of prosperity and peace.
جات پیدا کردم 4 نفریم
Dubbed Operation Rising Lion, Israel's first hit killed.
Your light will defeat the darkness. I'm with you. The people of Israel are with you.